update on the USB cables I bought. Yeah, cables. I bought a second one. I made a community post about this, and I also made a video about where I bought replacement cables, charge cords, that are just USB without the 12-volt connector that goes into regular USB and it powers it. And look what we got here. Traffic. Yes, this is a Nuvi 2457 LMT. But I have tested this with the 56 LMT, 58 LMT, 2599 LMT HD, DriveSmart 50 LMT HD. What else did I check it with? Oh, the 2597 LMT as well. It gets the traffic. That's great because if I go here to settings, device, about, yeah, if you got the thing where it says built-in traffic receiver, yes, and you use this cable. Yeah, look at that. We have got, let me just get rid of this. Actually, wait, I'll go apps, traffic, incidents. Yeah, it's all there. That is absolutely lovely, especially on an older model like this one, 2457. That is cool. So it does work. And yes, I said cables. I was so impressed with this thing that I bought another one. And I don't know what they did in here for this thing. This is the side that goes into the Nuvi, and that's the regular USB-A for the other side. Totally works. Confirmed. I am a happy traveler. Very happy traveler, because what this means now is, now I currently have a car that has the 12-volt port outlet like most other cars, but some newer cars either don't have that socket, like the 2022 2023 Chevrolet Silverado, thanks General Motors, or it has it, but it's in a very inconvenient spot. Like it's way under the dash or way in the back of the car or something like that. They're trying to phase them out, which is really annoying because this outlet has been around forever, and oh no, and who needs them? Yeah, a lot of people need them actually, and not just for GPSs, for a whole bunch of stuff. For example, you don't think about it until you don't have it. So if you have something as simple as a car vacuum, you know, you plug the thing into the 12 volt, do a little vacuuming, nice to have, right? Well, or better yet, a air compressor, so you can air up your tires. You know, pretty much all of them, like you get it at AutoZone or O'Reilly's or something like that. You plug it into the 12 volt, air up your tires, right? Well, I don't know any that use USB. Maybe there's one that does. I haven't seen it yet, but the vast majority of them, as far as I know, use 12 volt. Anyway, sorry. Little soapbox moment. Sorry about that. Point being is that this lovely cable right here powers that, and it powers a bunch of other Nuvis, and it's great. Oh, also, yeah, well, what if what you have does not have traffic? Does it work on those? Absolutely. This powers anything, well, almost anything, using USB. I think the only thing this cable doesn't work with are dash cam models like the Nuvi Cam or the Drive Assist 51. I think that's it. I think that's it. But for all the other mini USB stuff, confirmed, works. Yes, I will have it. Affiliate linked below. if you'd like one for yourself. Is it worth the money? For me, yes. So much I bought two.